What are you doing? What's up, dude?
Here she comes.
Dude! Oh, Clovis coming out?
He heard me. He heard me and he came out.
That's cool.
Look at him. Here you go.
Be careful, Crystal. Oh, great.
We got it stuck. There we go. Okay,
Don't go through this. Go through this.
Come on. She must be hungry. She was in there. I was like, where's Clovis? Where's Clovis? What one more? What two? Okay. Oh, that's too tiny. I'm not going to feed you that little thing. Look at her. Ew, there's flies around her. Hello.